How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having the most wonderful day. No, I am. 70 degrees and sunshine. Can you believe it? Yes, finally. Today we're going to remedy a problem that I had in another video. I'll show you that video there in just a moment. But until then, you know what time it is. Camaro time, baby. Let's get to it. Now, if you've watched the video, like I said, you'll understand what's going on with the car, and I'll show you again here in just a second. But what we're going to be using to try to remedy it is this Mother's Back to Black. It's supposed to get all your plastic and your rubber and stuff on your vehicle looking like new again. Now, the other stuff I had, which was the Meguiars, it didn't last any time, and it even made my car look worse than what it did. Like I said, check the video out. You'll see what I'm talking about. But we're going to try to put this on today, and I will let it stay on because it's going to rain Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today's Friday. This coming Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday it's supposed to rain. So I will let you know after the rain, after it dries, if it stayed on, how it performed, if it's any good, if it's bad, whatever. You know me, I'll be totally honest with you. But the way you use it is you make sure your vehicle's clean. Well, any of you know we've had a lot of rain here, but I do have old Blackie clean. It's the Z28. I just got done washing it, so we'll put it on. But all you need is a terry cloth, an applicator pad, or anything along that line to put it on. And you let it set on there for a little while, come back and go over it again with another terry cloth or rag or whatever you got. So I've got that, and I've got my old shop rag, which is perfectly clean, as you can see. And yeah, let's put it on and see how it does. As you can see right here, this is a prime example of what happened. I put on the Meguiars, like I said, and it rained probably, I don't know, a week after I put it on. And then I came back out to wash the car the next day, and it just looked like crap. Now this car, the plastic on this car, it was a little light, but it was black or very, very dark gray. Now it wasn't white, it wasn't faded or anything, so I put the stuff on, and you could see what kind of a crappy finish it left on here. It's almost like chalk. It really isn't chalk, but it's almost like chalk. So let's try this Meguiars and see how it goes. Now, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do this whole thing in slow motion while I talk and everything. You'll get the gist of it, but we'll come back when I'm finished, and I'll give you a close-up of what it looks like and everything, and you guys enjoy the time lapse. By the way, always shake your product first. Alright, it says put it on liberally, which as you've watched and I did. But normally I would tape my car off, my window off and all that stuff. But I wanted to see how hard this stuff would be to get off. So as you can see, I got it all over the paint right here. So let's see how easy. This is just a damp washcloth. Nothing, no cleaner in it, no nothing. And as you can see, it wipes right off. It leaves no sticky residue, no nothing behind. Hey, gone. Same way on the windows. I deliberately got it on my glass just to see how it would wipe off, how it would clean up. Perfect. Go around to the other side. When I was using a toothbrush, it splattered on my windshield, wiping right off. Can't ask for anything to be better than that. Now, of course, you're going to have to flip it once in a while, but what do you expect? Comes right off. That is a great service when you do this, because, you know, unless you do tape everything off, you're going to get it everywhere. But as you can see now, all that old white residue was gone. Get you back over here where you can see better. All the old white residue was gone. It was saw earlier. Put the wiper down and raise the hood so I can see the exact spot you was looking at. Sorry for all the bouncing, but my GoPro battery is dead, of course. So I'm using my Canon. It says to put it on liberally, which I did. And this is the spot you looked at earlier. As you can see right now, there's no white, there's no residue. It's a little bit wet still. I went back and put more on, second coat, because it was dry. You know, you got to get it to soak it into plastic. Well, now that it is soaked into plastic, I've wiped it off with a dry rag. And as you can see, it still left it a little bit wet, which is really a good sign because that shows that it's coated. But it looks good, does it not? Well, there you have it, all finished. Now, if you saw in the video, I used a toothbrush to put it in the little vent creases and everything. And it went on very smooth. It doesn't leave a residue on your hand or anything. I'm bad about not using gloves. I really need to start. So we'll give this a, like I said, it's supposed to rain next, they're calling for rain Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So Thursday, we'll come back out and see how she does. I'll be driving the car, so the car won't be this clean, it'll be dirty because of all the rain and the road construction and whatnot. But yeah, let's give it a try, and I'll let you know how it did comparing to the Meguiars, and I will let you know my thoughts on it overall. For right now, it's great. It goes on smooth. You know, you had the Meguiars, you only had to put one coat on. The Mothers, it seems like if your plastic and rubber's dry, you have to put 2 coats on. But that's no problem. It says put it on liberally. That's why you see me put on so much. And you go back with another rag and wipe off the excess, and then just let it soak. We'll see how it does. I'll give you a review or a report. But you know, I appreciate each and every one of you guys stopping by. I really do appreciate it. We've grown so much, and I don't want any of you to think that I take it lightly. I greatly appreciate it, because that shows that you actually want to see some of the stuff that I'm doing. So with that said, I hope you all have the most blessed day. You get out there and get with your car, work on it, wash it, clean it, drive it, whatever. They're meant to be enjoyed. And you guys have a great day. Take care.